On the Ickonic .connect, the news show this week, the confirmation of the absolute contempt that authority has for the population. I give you East Palestine in the United States, where a massive train wreck has spewed incredibly toxic chemicals across a community, and the authorities then set bloody fire to it and make the chemicals more lethal, or some of them, than they were before, but then drop the contents over a much wider area. They then tell the residents, having evacuated them while that went on, to go back to their homes because it's safe now. Note, those in authority won't be going. Then, Saturn. There's a mysterious place, and there's some more mysteries that have come to light this week. And what is it about Saturn? Why does this global cult, why does it worship and see almost as a god this, what is to us, a dot in the sky? And then the World Health Organization has spoken. Bird flu is coming. Marburg virus is coming. Yawn. That's the .connect news show on Ickonic every Saturday from 10 a.m. UK. And you can take out a free 7-day trial whenever you like.